presenting a pre-owned 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and a six-speed manual transmission. This Jeep has less than 108,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.